So you have a project and you want to know how the project will flow from start to finish. What would be the activities? How would the activities be linked? How would they flow? Which activity will start? How would which activity will depend on the other activity? What will be the relationship between the various activities? And when they flow in that pattern, when would the project finish? When? Sometimes it's quite easy. If you have a very simple project, you could basically determine when the project will finish. But if you have a very big project, it will be very hard without some tools and techniques to tell when the project will actually finish, because it has a lot of activities and lots of relationships between the various activities. Some are going at the same time, others may depend on others. Finish, start. You saw the various constraints, if you remember. Finish, start. Some of them may have to finish before others could start. Some of them may have to go at the same time. Some of them may have to overlap. If you don't have any system, any tool and technique to help you do this, it will be very tough for you. And we preach the AIA technique, artificial assistance technique. We preach PMIS, project management information system, basically software. So we need to know how to use software to do this. But before that, we need to understand how we could run these ones manually. So if you want to tell how the activities in the project will be related, the relationships between the various activities, get a proper pattern of work, and also determine when the project will finish, you use some tools and techniques, and one of them is the network diagram. The other one is the Gantt chart. So look at these ones and explain them.